curious, authoritative tone. Artificial general intelligence is defined as a machine that matches or exceeds human cognitive ability across every domain, from scientific research to creative strategy. Elon Musk recently stated there is a 10% chance his newest model reaches that specific threshold. Skepticism is the natural reaction here. Musk has spent years setting aggressive targets for projects like full self-driving and Starship, only to see those timelines slip repeatedly. However, the raw data behind this specific project is difficult to ignore. Leaked hardware specs and a $20 billion Series E funding round suggest that XAI is building something with physical resources that few other labs can match. This video is an audit of those claims. We are going to look at the technical evidence, the exclusive data pipelines, and the international safety disasters that have already occurred during development. Grounded. If the reported specifications are accurate, this model will establish a new technical baseline for compute and memory that current AI assistants cannot meet. To understand the scale, we have to look at parameter counts. GPT-4 used roughly 170 billion parameters to process language. The previous Grok model used 3 trillion. Grok 5 is reported to use 6 trillion parameters. Training a system of that size requires the Colossus 2 supercomputer in Memphis. It runs roughly 1 million high-end, roughly the electricity output of a small nuclear plant. The model manages this size using a mixture of experts architecture. Instead of activating all 6 trillion parameters, it routes queries to specific subnetworks. This supports a 1.5 million token context window, processing 15 novels in a single session without losing track. By combining the largest GPU cluster in existence with high-efficiency routing, XAI has built a hardware foundation that outpaces current competitors. Training quality depends heavily on the data source. Grok 5 uses a continuous, exclusive feed of real-time data from the X social media platform. Most AI models learn from static web crawls that can be months old. Because XAI trains on live posts and engagement data, the model can process breaking news and cultural shifts as they occur. There is also the potential for a physical data pipeline. Musk has suggested that camera feeds and sensor readings from millions of Tesla vehicles could eventually train the model on how the physical world operates. Combining real-time human interaction with physical sensor data gives the model a unique training set for situational awareness that other labs cannot replicate. This leads to vision-based agency. XAI engineers claim Grok 5 can read computer screens from raw video at very low latency, allowing it to understand and operate software interfaces just like a human user. The system is designed to spawn sub-agents to handle multi-step workflows. This means the AI could theoretically watch you perform a task in a spreadsheet and then execute parallel tasks across different applications autonomously. While these massive agent frameworks are still in development, you can start running local, autonomous AI agents today through our sponsor, BlueStacks AI. BlueStacks AI provides a one-click installation of OpenClaw, removing the need for terminal commands or complex configurations. It runs inside a sandboxed virtual machine to protect your personal files and features daily spending caps to prevent unexpected API costs. Screen reading AI represents a change in how we interact with computers, where the model operates the same tools humans use. Adapting to these workflows early provides a significant advantage as the tech matures. We should view the release timeline with caution. While early targets suggested late 2025, current predictions point toward a public beta in mid-2026, and Musk's previous projects suggest further delays are likely. There are also critical safety concerns. Grok 4's image generator recently failed to block the creation of non-consensual deepfakes, resulting in thousands of harmful images of real people being circulated. The European Union responded with a €45 million provisional fine and ordered XAI to preserve all documents related to the model's development. The UK Prime Minister publicly criticized the safety failures, explicitly citing the potential for these deepfakes to cause real-world harm. Canada has since fast-tracked new legislation to criminalize non-consensual deepfake imagery, a direct reaction to the output seen on the X platform. XAI claims a 99.99% block rate on harmful content, but at the scale of a global social network, that still allows for thousands of dangerous outputs to reach the public every day. If a less capable model caused these international incidents, Giving a 6 trillion parameter system direct access to user screens and live data feeds increases the potential for uncontained technical failures. When we look at the timeline, the gap is clear. Musk suggests a 10% chance of AGI in the near term, but median estimates from thousands of AI researchers place the arrival of human-level intelligence closer to 2047. The technical evidence suggests a specific verdict. Grok 5 is unlikely to achieve true AGI, but it will likely function as a highly capable reasoning engine that forces OpenAI and Google to increase the scale of their own releases. The arrival of these models shows that AI capability is moving faster than regulation. Society is largely unprepared for the risks that arise when autonomous agents with these specifications are fully unleashed.